Today I am going to tell you biography of Mahatma Gandhi. The another name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is born on 2 October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, a small fishing town. His family is a Banya family. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi, became Diwan. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba when he was only 13 years old and going to school. He passed his matriculation at only 17 years and after a short time in a college at Bhavnagar went to England to study law. He was called to bar in 1891. He then returned to India with the intention of setting up practice but did not succeed in attempt. Then a business concern in Porbandar offered him a law suit and his disconnection he went to South Africa. For the first time, he made a second trip to South Africa in 1893 and that was the turning point in Gandhiji's career. Not only turning point in Gandhiji's career, then turning point in Indian national movement. He was profoundly shocked at the humiliation to which Indians in South Africa were subjected and determined to fight against the injustice. He settled at Durban in Natal and founded the Tolstoy Farm and Phoenix colony with a few co-workers dedicated to the cause. In the 21 years he spent there, he tried out many social and political experiments and perfected his famous Satyagraha just and non-violent opposition to injustice. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915 and had the integration into Indian politics under Gopal Krishna Gokhale, a great leader in his own right. Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in collaboration with the Khilafat movement started by Ali brothers. People boycotted the British goods. They gave up the state titles. They refused cooperation with the government, including non-payment of taxes. The movement was a great success, but it was suspended by Gandhiji after an incident of violence at Chaura Chauri Kand. On the December 31, 1929, the Congress passed the Purna Swaraj resolution. Gandhiji now started the Salt Satyagraha and embarked upon the famous Dandi March. It caused immense turmoil in the country and the government soon saw the reason. Gandhiji Irwin Pact was signed on March 4, 1931. Gandhiji suspended his civil disobedience movement and attended the second round table conference at London as the sole representative of the Congress. After long paralysis, he, however, returned greatly disappointed. In August 1942, Gandhiji started his Quit India movement and gave a call of do or die to his countrymen for achievement of freedom. He termed the movement as an open rebellion and declared, "I want freedom immediately this very night before dawn." It can be that the government promptly arrested him that night, but people were restive. When unfortunately the country was bifurcated into two dominions India and Pakistan. The division of the country and the communal violence as a result thereof gave an acute sense of anguishness to Gandhiji. He had fought all his life for Hindu-Muslim unity. He was bitter about the events but had not lost heart. He went to Noakhali to bring peace to the people of Bengal. His mission succeeded. There but did not cult of hatred and violence continued to hold sway. A fanatic Nathuram Vinaya Godse shot him dead in New Delhi at a prayer meeting in evening of January 30, 1948. The entire mankind was bereaved by his death. He lived and died for the sake of peace and welfare of all mankind. Thanks.